Begin the procedure by carefully detaching the anterior talofibular ligament, ATFL. Using a 8-point slotted guide and 1.8 mm drill. Create pilot holes for two 2.5 mm titanium anchors, employing the Brostrom technique. Position these anchors approximately 1 cm and 2 cm above the tip of the fibula on its anterior surface. Drill a 3.5 mm hole in the non-articulating surface of the talus, keeping the drill parallel to the bottom of the foot. After tapping with a 4.75 mm tap, load the BioBraid suture tape into a 4.75 mm gyrolock and insert it into the hole. Secure the ATFL to the fibula using the Brostrom technique. Drill a 2.7 mm hole and then tap it with a 3.5 mm tap, for positioning the 3.5 mm. Gyrolock approximately 1.5 cm above the tip of the fibula on the anterior surface. Pull the BioBraid suture tape from the initial 4.75 mm gyrolock and thread it through the eyelet of the 3.5 mm gyrolock. To achieve the correct tension on the BioBraid suture tape, place the anchor tip at the origin of the hole while keeping the BioBraid suture tape engaged. Mark the BioBraid suture tape at the appropriate tension level, then pull back the 3.5 mm gyrolock to align the eyelet with your mark. With the foot in a neutral position and slight eversion, attach the end of the gyrolock handle until the screw is flush with the bone. Finally, trim any excess BioBraid suture tape to finish the procedure.
Auxein.